From schematic to hardware.
Welcome again to a new video from Ryan Kiwen Electronics YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to build a full adder using these logic gates, 2 XOR gates, 2 AND gates, and 1 OR. Follow the steps, and please, if you like such videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. As you can see in this simulation, I use the truth table. I follow the steps of the truth table and I simulate all the cases, which are the 8 cases from 0, 0, 0 input till reaching 1, 1, 1. Okay.
Ever wondered how your computer adds numbers so fast? High voltage sign. It all starts with this circuit, the full adder. We have 3 inputs, A, B, and sin, carry in, and 2 outputs, sum S, and carry out Q. First, A and B go into an XOR gate. That result is again XORed with sin, and boom collision symbol, that's the sum. Now for the carry. A and B gives one carry path. And sin and A XOR B gives another. Both are combined using an OR gate to produce Q. Look at the truth table, hand pointing down with back of hand showing. When 2 or more inputs are 1, carry becomes 1. And the sum follows the XOR logic. This tiny circuit is the building block of CPUs, ALUs, and processor's brain. Follow for more digital electronics made simple. Rocket.